Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So, as we have already completed the React part, so today is basically the week two project explanation session where I will assign you the week two project. Okay. So, let me just share my screen first. Then I will tell you that what you have to create for week two. Okay. So, here it is. I hope my screen is visible to you. This project list will be shared with you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just let me tell you that what you have to create and how you have to create. So first of all, you can see there are 30 projects for you. Okay, so just make sure that you can choose a unique one or different one from others. Don't go with that project which is quite easy and which you will think that anyone can accept. Suppose like this e-commerce admin panel, this is something which everyone will go for. Create job portal, social media platform, this type of things you can create. Now, you can see first of all here is project name mentioned, right? So project name is CRM dashboard, software as a service subscription platform, project management tool, video conference app, e-commerce, learning management system, right? Here is the description that what you have to create. But the important point is here in text tag highlight, maybe someone of you will think that they are mentioning React, Redux, Node.js, MongoDB, and other tools. You don't have to worry about that. We have covered up to React, so you have to create this particular project with you using your React plus Vite setup. Okay, so only you have to create the front end part of it. You don't have to worry about the backend portion. You just have to create front end with React. Clear? Like suppose if you are creating a e-commerce website, then for e-commerce website there should be login sign up page, then there is other groceries things. Okay, but that will not work for sure because it is only a front end part through React, so that you have to create at your end. One thing is that, and other thing is the same thing which you have done with your first week project. That is like you have to push the code to the GitHub. You have to make it live, and the third thing is you have to like add this week to project in your report also, which I have already told you that how you have to maintain it, right? So I hope that it is clear to you that what you have to do, how you have to do. Okay. So if we talk about suppose any of them, like finance management app, suppose if you are creating something like this, then you can use React over there. Okay, and other things like you can make it you have to only create front end, right? So just try that how you can make it more attractive. Add some pie charts over there. For there are multiple, you can say, modules or multiple libraries through which you can add chart in our React. So just see that what things you can use. You don't have to use any other tech stack like Node.js or any other database. Okay, that you don't have to use. So I will suggest that someone can create portfolio, someone can create live sports scoreboard. Okay, these things you can create, just the front end you have to create at your end. Okay. So this list will be provided to you. Don't worry about this. And I hope that React is clear to you, and it will give you a better idea when you try to implement something. That is where you learn a lot, because theoretical portion is important for your interview perspective, but this project is also important over there. Why? Because they can ask you simple question that what is hook, okay, what is functional component, how it is different from class component, okay, what and other things. But suppose if you are going in an interview and they tell you that show me your project, that what you have created, I know that you are not going to show this one as this is a normal project, but from here you get the knowledge only. And when you show them in a big picture, then you can tell them that why you are using a particular line of code. why what is happening through different things. Okay, so in that case you have to maintain such records. You have to be very careful that you can create this project at your end. Just record the presentation video for it also. Okay, where you have to explain the proper part of it, how many things are there in your website, how you are going to like explain the code through VS Code. And I will give you one more tip. Then when you are explaining your project, right? So just make sure that suppose if you have first of all give me an idea that how you have created a website, then come to VS Code, explain me a particular file code, and then show again that in the website where is that part which code you have elaborated. Okay, so that is also a good section. Suppose if someone is creating a particular you can say card type boxes. Okay, so you will go to React code. You will show me the component where you have write the code for that particular box or card, and then you can again come to the website to show me that this is how I have mentioned it. That is a way more better thing to present, and it boosts your confidence. See, in first week and in second week you will compare your, you can say, confidence level. When you will going to like present for the first time, it will be more difficult for you, it will be challenging also, because it is new to you, right? But that's what we have to enhance as we move to 6 week internship program. So I hope that you will gain some confidence from the first week, and in this week project you are going to uh, perform a lot better. Okay, so with every passing week, my expectations from you guys will increase. And I hope that as your confidence will boost, you can also expect more from your end. So that is important. And this is the thing which I have to tell you. So don't include any backend part or any database part into it. Keep it simple. You just have to use up to React, whatever we have learned. And it is easy one for you. And as I have already mentioned, if you are using any AI for a particular section where you are facing some doubt, then there is no issue using that. Okay, AI is there, you can use that. But the thing is, you have to be very clear with the concepts which you are using. So that's it. I want to tell. Okay, I hope you can cover it within deadline. You know the deadline already now. Like on Saturday and Sunday, you have to complete it, and up to Monday. From Monday, we will start with the new thing, which is Node.js. Yeah. So I have a good luck for creating this particular project, and try to like choose a tricky one, which will enhance your knowledge in real term. Okay. And this is how now you can know that how we are going forward. First of all, we are covering the theoretical part and then we are covering the practical part, right? So this makes your base strong, and that's the motive of this internship, so that you can get the live sessions training also or record session training, and then you can like implement that theoretical knowledge as well as your practical knowledge while creating a particular project. So don't miss out to push this into your GitHub. Don't miss out to make it live. And also you have to create the recording session for it. Clear, everyone? I hope it is. So looking forward to see the best project from you guys. And I know that you are going to do a good job. So all the best. We'll continue with Node.js in the upcoming section. Thank you so much.